Hola, bienvenidos a Lightspeed Spanish and welcome to my computer. We're going to do something a little bit different today. I'm just going to show you and share with you a website that's been sent to me. They asked me if we would do a collaboration. We don't do collaborations. However, if I think it's worthwhile talking about, then I will. So I asked them to give me free access to their site. The site's called Lingua Verbum. Okay, and it's for learning Spanish and learning other languages, but it's designed to help you to listen and understand what you're listening to. Let's get into it. I've uploaded one of our videos. It's a test video, okay? And it's a conversation between Anna, Cynthia, and me. And it's about films. Now, we've got two native speakers. We're talking about quite an interesting subject. So it's fast. It's a very fast conversation. And it's very, very authentic. So what this program does is it transcribes whatever video it is that you put in there. But that's just the first bit. Let's have a look.
Entonces, como prototipo de hombre, no, pero son muy guapos para...
Que van a arreglar el váter si...
Eso es lo importante. Podemos...
So Anna's speaking, and she says, entonces, como prototipo de hombre. Now, I've listened to this video all the way through, and I haven't found an error in the transcription. Now, transcribing is becoming so much better now. It's not often that you get errors, but depending on the program, sometimes they don't do a very good job. This does a fantastic job. I've never seen anything so accurate. So you can either watch the video through and watch the transcription as it goes, or you can choose where you want to go in the video, if there's something specific you want to see, and it will take you directly there.
Buenas. Sobre todo las que son de investigación y suspense. Hay películas muy buenas españolas, cosa que antes...
And you notice that as Cynthia's talking, what she's saying is being underlined. So you know what it is that's being said.
No había, hace muchos años. Películas así buenas de investigación y esto de crimen...
Okay, so what else other than that? If it was just that, well, that would be interesting. But what happens is this: you can click on any word. Let's see if I can find a suspense. So it gives you, if you click on the word, it gives you the translation. However, if you're in this speaker one and you want to break down the grammar, then what it does, it gives you a full explanation. Obviously, it's AI, but it gives you a full explanation of what this sentence is about, subordinate clauses, but it'll break it down for you. Okay, and then the final translation. So if you're wondering about a particular structure, or there's something that's said that you think, what are they saying? What's that about? Then you can just click on the block and then choose break down the grammar. If there's something that's not being answered for you in the breakdown, then you can just ask. And you can say, for example, let's say if we say, hace muchos años. So we want to know what that's about. Explain this. There you are. So explanation of hace muchos años. This is a conjugation form of the verb hacer, which in this context means ago. Okay. If there's one thing that I would have liked to see, which I haven't seen, is that if I click on this, I would like the video to go to this particular bit, and it doesn't. And it doesn't. So if I click on here, obviously I get the translation, but then if I press,
¿Cómo se llama esa peli de...
then it's taken me to another place. So you would have to find that manually, which is a bit. Because if I was scanning this, I would think, oh, I really want to know about this. And I can't seem to see a way. There may be a way, but I'm not seeing it of how I can get directly to this place here. I don't know if I highlight it, let's see.
Lo ves una vez
No.
y te sorprende y después...
However, as a tool, I think it's excellent because sometimes when you're listening, you know, and YouTube, they do subtitles as well, automatic, but they're not very good. This is designed specifically to transcribe everything correctly. As I say, I haven't seen an error in the transcription, and that's unusual. So I don't know how much it is to join. Obviously, it's a pay per month, I think, and it might be something like $7 or €7. I don't know. So if you like listening and you like reading and you like help with your Spanish, that's a great site to go to. Y eso es todo, chicos. Os quiero mucho. Hasta luego.